Today we are going to discuss about our mathematics chapter, equation of straight lines. Equation of straight lines. Okay. See, equation of the straight lines. It consists of only straight lines. It consists of only straight lines. In the straight lines, it is like x-axis and y-axis. And also, say this is a kind of a straight line which is horizontal to your x-axis, and the equation of this one is y is equal to c. And this is another kind of straight line. Assume that this is equal to your y-axis, and this is x is equal to some constant. It may not be c, it may be k. But after having these two equations, now I have some questions. What is my question? Suppose I have a equation. Suppose I have a straight line like this. Can I find the equation for the name for this straight line? Provided I know the slope of the line. Okay, I know the slope and I know where it cuts on y-axis, y-intercept. Okay, the next one, if I know any 2 points on the line, can we find the equation of the straight line? Okay, can we find the equation of the straight lines? These are the things we are going to discuss. Maybe some more ideas. Okay, now check over here. The gradient of the horizontal line is 0, that we know already. The equation of the horizontal line is y is equal to c. Equation of the vertical line is equal to something. Okay, just equal to something. First, the equation of the straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. We are going to discuss. Okay, so let's consider here this point. Okay, take a point a of 0 comma c because it cuts the y-axis, and take another point on the line p of x comma y. Take it's 2, right? A of 0 comma c and p of x comma y. Use your rule, yeah, p of x comma y. Okay, it's p of x comma y and a of 0 comma c, right? A of 0 comma c, am I right? Okay, now take it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Take it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Use the rule for your slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. X2 minus x1, and it is c minus y divided by x2. X2 is 0 minus x1. X1 is x. Is equal to this one. Is equal to this one. And you can make a cross multiply here. It is minus mx is equal to c minus y. C minus y minus mx is equal to c minus y. Multiply by a minus, so it is mx is equal to y plus minus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. It's proved. Okay. The next one, yeah, this is the idea now. The next one, So hereafter, any straight line passing through the point 0 comma c, that is y-intercept is c, and the gradient m is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, we are going to use a rule directly. That is, and this is called gradient intercept form, slope and intercept form. See this question now. Given that y is equal to 3x plus c passes through the point 3 comma 1, find the value of c. Okay. This 3 comma 1 lies on the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Am I right? It is in the lies on the line 3x plus c. Okay. The coordinate 3 comma 1, find the coordinate is 3 comma 1. So that should satisfy the given equation. Take it as x1 and take it as y1. That is x comma y points. Okay. Put these values in your equation. In place of x it is 3 and in place of y it is 1. Apply the plug it and you will get your c value. Given that y is equal to 5x plus a passes through the point minus 1 comma 2, find the value of a. How to do this? Simple, right? In place of x it is minus 1 and in place of y it is 2. That's it. The point 6 comma 8 lies on the line. Find the value of b. The same technique. Find in the equation of the straight line given the coordinates of 2 points. See, the 2 points was given, okay? The 2 points. A of 1 comma 2, 3 comma 7, okay? 1 comma 2, 3 comma 7. 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 A 1 comma 2, B 3 comma 7. Okay. See, actually, what it will happen? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 may be here. Okay. 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 7. 1, 2, 3. 3 comma 7. This is 3 comma 7. And there will be some line, sorry, line joining these 2 points. And we have to find the name of this equation, the equation of this equation. So the equation of this straight line. So call it as x1 and y1, call it as x2 and y2. Use the rule. Equation of the straight line is y. What's the equation? What's the equation over there? Actually, forget. For first, yeah, okay, they are using this technique. I'm sorry. First, you can go for the slope. First, you can go for the slope, find the equation, and then put your points. Okay. So first, to go for the slope, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. It is 5 divided by 2. It is 5 divided by 2. Write the equation. Write the equation. What's the equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 5 by 2 x plus c. Now we have to find the value of c. How to find the value of c? How to find the value of c? We can plug any one point. Either it is 1 comma 2 or 3 comma 7. Now we put plug, what is that, 1 comma 2 in this equation. So this is x and y. Now put these values. So it is 2 is equal to 5 by 2 multiplied by x. X place it is 1 plus c. So it is 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to c. C is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Put the c is equal to minus 1 by 2 here. You will be getting y is equal to 5 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 is this equation of the line joining these 2 points A and B. A and B. Okay. And one more we have, right? One more point we have. And these are same. Let me come back to the next. Given that y is equal to minus x plus 3 passes through the point 1 comma 2, find the value of c. It's obvious, you can do. The point minus 3 comma 3 lies on the line y is equal to 4x plus k. Find the value of k. Similar. Equation of the straight line passes through each of the following pair of points. It is the similar one how we did now. Find the equation of each of the straight lines given the gradient and the coordinates of the points that lies on the line. So gradient and point, right? Y is equal to mx plus c, the same one. Write down the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin. Origin means 0, 0 with the gradient 2. So m is equal to 2. What is it? Think over it. 0, 0 and m is equal to 4. Okay. In each of the following diagram, the gradient and the y-intercept of the line where possible. State the equation of the line. Try these three, A, B, C, and for the rest 7, that is from intermediate level, we will discuss in another video. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.